Oh, it's just grasping with
American
death.
baby boy was born. As American as they get. A man, happy birthday to Boy John A.
I appreciate that. I was born in Boston, lying in hospital in Boston, Massachusetts, and you know I'm an identical twin, and people always say, oh, who's older? I always tell them I wasn't going to lose the first race of my life. I want to know how to shoot.
One and two.
On the feet, tremendous boxer. Really seen.
Woo! Woo!
I love it.
Oh God!
I love how she
Sorry.
beats in and out, moves side to side, never giving her opponent a stationary target.
Well, clearly her game plan was to come out swinging, but
Oh,
not
double
realizing
time.
a ton of success here, at least in the early round.
They changed the inputs.
Oh,
I can't.
again.
It's like
Another body kick
it's
flush.
not throwing what I'm throwing.
Position is going to have to make an adjustment, lower the elbow a little bit.
Oh God! Oh God!
Wow, she's had to eat a lot of shots early on. It did not take her opponent long to find her boxing range tonight.
So you can tell, John, intent on getting it going very.
What? Bro, that
John, she's nasty. Got her opponent in trouble. Let's see how she follows.
dude. That's why he landed. That's why he landed, bro. What? Alright. Yeah, I might be going to sleep here. I might be going to sleep here. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, she's not throwing the punch. I swear she. Bro, they changed it.
I'm just not sure that she can take too many more.
No, she can't.
Bro, they changed the controls, bro. There's no way.
Clearly. Cannot
They
hit
changed the controls, bro. Oh, yeah, I'm out.
So Zai appears to be closing up by the second.
Bro, they changed the controls. I don't know the controls. Oh my God, alright.
All right, so here is Alex Poatan Pereira taking on a fellow striker here tonight, and matchup just given what they both do well.
Absolutely. And watching Pereira, the weight of the options, I like that he throws so well.
Lagging. What? What? What?
Yeah, the opponent's tough, but his power has been on display very early.
Bro, I feel like this guy is not.
Heavyweights move as well as the former interim champ Cyril Gane, and you see the footwork right away as this fight gets started.
Yeah, the
Bro,
footwork
oh my
leads to
God,
the
I
jab.
came back in
The guy
last
does a
second.
great job. You don't really stand.
Oh my God, bro.
Back and forth we go. These two guys are trading huge shots.
I feel like my punches aren't doing any damage.
Oh, nice kick.
Yeah.
From the
Okay, my
mouth
PC
now, a
fan.
cut there on his lip. That doesn't look like fun. Really starting to connect on a lot of shots to the midsection, and these will take their toll as this fight.
I love a good check hook. It's a great shot for a high-level counter striker.
Bro, that got through? What? Yeah, I definitely lost that round. But I made it out of the first. It's an improvement, because I got knocked out of the
A
first.
little bit concerned.
Ready to fight? Ready.
Round 2 is underway. Do you believe it? This next round is underway. In the previous round, both fighters got rocked. Crowd going bananas. Big opportunity for both fighters.
These are the types of fights that makes it so fun to sit right next to the octagon.
Oh God, yep, I'm getting cut. Bro, Alex, move!
Real bad. Now we gotta go to the finish. They will crash into each other.
Bro, I'm landing hooks, and it's not landing.
As they're compromised at this stage of the fight.
Yeah, both guys are compromised. Both guys have been beat up. Both guys have done a great job of landing, recognizing what
Double respect.
Big right hook coming and blocked. Well, defensively, you got to do a little.
he's almost
Under 2 minutes to go here in our second round.
Bro, that hook would have knocked him out in real life, bro. Are we dead serious?
Tonight, it looks like he's been cut.
he's taking
Oh my god, first one. Oh my god.
You ready to fight? Ready.
You knew Peloton wasn't going
Woo.
out like that. Act
Oh,
five.
he's not gonna touch my glove?
The last
Both of these guys have a very
Oh my,
specific way to eat.
bro, what?
Burr needs to get back.
fights that the UFC can make, no surprise, they have made it a third
Ooh,
time. We'll see
you
who
like
has
that.
the upper hand, and maybe we get closer.
I'm gonna throw
to
some
this
wild.
rivalry tonight. Oh, Adesanya with a big left hook.
It's a matter of setup, right? Easter makes them feel they can't.
Oh my
go.
god. Bro, this guy is nonsense,
All right,
bro. What the
early
heck?
round one action here. The game
Bro,
plan
what the
was
heck?
to come out aggressively, but the landing
Needs to be Israel Adesanya is always exactly where his stance is designed for him to be.
Adesanya's
That was
eye
nice.
looks to have been cut open from one of those offerings.
It's never good to get cut, but right now it's a small one. You don't have to worry about it, but you got to protect it.
Man, you get so focused on that upper region of Alex Pineda that you're not mindful.
Bro,
of the
oh
leg
my
kicks
God,
landing
that
another
jab.
handicap there. First time this round where we have said that.
Well, Johnny's continuing to move forward out of that real high guard.
Bro,
And when you're
he
walking,
just, I feel like my king is durable.
going to
Oh, range management at its finest. The opponent retreats, still gets hit.
still
Yep.
get to him. I thought, well, because he has to do so with instincts to draw out your attack.
Bro, that kick did not land. I'm sorry.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Oh no,
From Pineda back to Adesanya.
I knew it. That was great defense, brother.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Oh, see, it's just, yeah. Yeah, this guy is. Oh no, oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm in serious trouble. Is he? I just got knocked out by what?
Thank you to my wife.
Not doing it for anyone
Round
else.
action here, and you may
What's my
not
glove?
want to
Thank you.
get after results. It's hard to argue otherwise. He is now healthy. The arm injury is fully healed, and Royval is ready to exact his revenge. On
Oh my
this
god, I'm
welterweight
lagging.
division.
Bro, why am I
All right,
getting
here's the
back
leg
down?
kick. You expected he would employ them heavily here tonight, and maybe the boxer wants to go back.
Mixed martial arts, you've got to use all of your tools. And by throwing those kicks, you are showing that this is an evolution of the fight game. He ain't boxing the squared circle. This is a mixed martial arts. They have a one-round battle.
Oh, that was open too.
His leg kicks trying to slow his opponent down, and largely succeeded.
Oh, that was so cold. God, that was so cold. Yo, this guy is so cold, bro. Oh my god, bro. How did that not knock him out?
Yeah, I mean, it was almost over. It was
Bro, this guy's head movement is masterful.
It feels like you got
Oh my
a
god.
now. Let's see if we can keep pressing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does he not back up? Back up. He's going like 1-2 to the head. I knew it. He keeps doing this like jab
I
leg.
mean, this guy is good in that. Slows the opponent down.
Oh my god. Get out of the corner.
Beautiful job by him there. It's not a single strike. Everything in combination. Oh, another
Get out of the corner. Why is he?
He is throwing his hip and it is taking an effect.
Bro, he's not moving. Get out of the corner.
Oh, nice left hook.
So under 30 seconds to go in what has been a pretty round one.
Dude, that jab leg kick is killing me, bro.
Cut on.
Dude, this guy's head movement is masterful, bro. He is dodging everything,
Second
bro.
round underway. Rips the body there.
What? Nope, 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 nope. Get out. Stand up. Bro, I'm lagging. Bro, my Xbox sounds like a lawnmower, bro. Get out of that. Get out of that. I'm out. What? I'm about to say.
Great job defensively.
Bro, get off me, dude, man.
The moment a
Just
little
stand
bit
up.
of space presented itself, he took it and got himself out of that triangle. Very good defense.
Oh, that defense is a thing of beauty, right? Slip and dip in and avoiding a lot of these power shots.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, just put me out, bro. Put me out of my misery. Oh my god. What is Yep. Yeah, bro, just go ahead, bro. Just go ahead, bro. You got it.
These guys are going to have to dig deep. They're both hurt.
They're both hurt. You expected it. You expected a close fight. You did not expect a war like this, though, where both guys, from the moment they said fight, went forward, got in each other's face, and just beat each other up. It's been tremendous.
Hold up. Minor second. Never mind. You gotta remember, I am the white about this.
Work black trunks for Jones, white trunks for Guzman. Or black guy Jones, white guy Guzman. Now,
In the building. Don't think a lot of people are burning up McMahon or Stone looking to fight Carlos Prates.
John, he doesn't care. Prates came off the contender series fight. He believes in his power. In most cases, that's been enough. I love watching Prates.
Well, a moment a bit inefficient when it comes to his striking game. He's going for broke.
Yeah, he's swinging, but he's not having much success. Got to slow down a little bit, pace himself to make sure that he can fight the whole fight.
Oh my god.
And now leather being thrown on both sides. Oh, look alive out there. He got caught with the lead hook again.
I love this.
What?
So one is thrown to end the fight.
Bro, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. I'm sorry.
How tough the opponent is, though.
All right, now we got some blood, ladies and gentlemen. It looks as though that shot has cut him open.
Now we're in a fight. Now we're in a fight, John. I mean, he's got the blood.
Bro, what?
Guy's got a
I agree. You could do a lot worse than watching this guy work on the feet, perhaps trying to set up another hook here.
Yes, he is definitely trying to set up another hook.
Okay, he's just, bro, my inputs are just not going in. I'm completely lagging, bro. I can't, none of my inputs are actually registering, bro.
Well, you just gotta rest the
I can't play.
If a series of fights is important enough and entertaining enough for audiences to want to see two competitors 3 separate times, you know that you have something special.
Herb Dean, our referee for this one.
I hate fighting down in the blue corner.
Stand up only fight underway, just cannot follow up with ground strikes on the king.
Dog, you've got to be kidding me.
Matchup tonight. Machado Gary's such a sophisticated striker. He knows what he's doing.
He knows exactly what he's doing. He's got his foot on the outside. He's always trying to control the range and distance by using that stance.
The wind and all of these bombs, no good if they're playing.
Well, I mean, yeah, it was a game.
Bro, I am landing and
Not countered because he's overspinning him so much. He gets countered, he may go to sleep.
Well, there was a big right hand we didn't call out a moment ago. It definitely, oh man, looks like he ate another body shot there. Can't absorb too many more of those.
I mean, you can tell he's starting to feel it right in the midsection.
Final seconds. Shadow Gary's eyes closing up. Second round, straight ahead.
okay, I definitely had that round. I definitely had that round,
Action we
man.
saw in the last round will continue. Both fighters certainly.
Can't take those. They come from the side, so they hurt you. You don't see them coming. You gotta get them
Ooh.
right.
What?
Oh man, just as we were talking,
But he keeps throwing that.
Dylan Madeleine is being very intentional with his strikes here, targeting that eye that is already swollen on the opposition.
Oh, I just kicked him. Yep, I knew it. See, every time I go to block that body. Radiant, back up, bro, please.
Now there's a cut. There's nothing to worry about too much now. He's got to be very...
Bro!
Connor, in the build-up to the last fight, you were unusually kind to Dustin. Now on fight week, it's the exact opposite. So when did that switch happen?
He got knocked the fuck out. Not McGregor fast, McGregor sleep.
Rack up his wins on me. He's not slick. Get me out of the blue corner as well. I just need to stop playing stupid. Got him up out of there. Got him up out.
How happy are you with your performance tonight?
Anderson Silva, you absolutely suck. Super Bowl weekend, the biggest rematch in the history of the business. I'm calling you out, Silva, but we're up in the stakes. I beat you. You leave the division. You beat me. I will leave the UFC forever.
Chael Sonnen, ladies and gentlemen.
There's a trilogy fight. That's my glove. Thank you. Ooh! I like that. What? Oh my god. That's okay. I'm chilling, bro. Bro, oh my god, bro, what are we playing? Oh my god. I need to fight smart. Oh my god. Hi. God, what are we playing? This is the craziest round one I've ever seen. Woo! Oh my god. He's on the subject. Dog, look at his face. Look at his face. I'm massacring this guy, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at his face. That's a trilogy, by the way. Oh my god. Let's go.
This guy is a savage, John Anik. And not only is he a savage,
Oh my god,
he is
they're lighting
now
fireworks
the
already,
world
man. Yeah, no, you're not getting a,
All right, to make this title fight official, here's Bruce.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee mark up.
Ruthless.